Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare a healthy ragi malt made with jaggery. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ragi flour. Take whole ragi. Now add little bit of water and mix it properly and make sure there are no lumps in it. Ragi is one of the richest sources of iron and calcium. It is very good for pregnant and lactating women. At the same time, it is very beneficial for menstrual cycle also. Now take a vessel, add 3 glasses of water. We took 3 tablespoons of ragi flour, right? Now we are adding 3 glasses of water. Bring the water to a boil. Again mix the ragi slurry which we prepared before and make sure there are no lumps in it. Now add the ragi slurry into the boiling water. And mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps in it. Continuously stir it. Now add 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Jaggery is one of the richest sources of iron and calcium, and it's very good for pregnant and lactating women and the people who are having very low hemoglobin. As jaggery is iron rich, use it. Mix it well and cook it on low flame for 6 to 8 minutes. Bring it to a boil. It's almost ready to serve. Now let us see few health benefits of ragi. It is rich in calcium, it is rich in iron, it is high in fiber content, it is protein packed. A perfect traditional drink for modern health. Do subscribe. Thank you.